D5 Render versus Blender. Which 3D rendering software is better? I'm going to tell you which 3D rendering software is better between D5 Render and Blender. D5 Render is real-time magic. It's made for architectural visualization and turns your models into photoreal scenes fast. It's user-friendly, drag and drop, and perfect if you want cinematic renders without complex setup. But it's Windows only, and a bit limited for non-architectural work. Blender is the full creative suite. It's free, open source, and handles everything: modeling, sculpting, animation, VFX, and of course, rendering with cycles and EV. But the learning curve is real, and setting up scenes can be time consuming without experience. So, which is better? If you need fast, beautiful architectural renders with zero hassle, go with D5 Render. But if you want full creative control across every part of 3D production, Blender is still the king.